welcome to my vlog once again. Today we are making turmeric face pack. Here for that we need 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoon of ground flour and half cut lemon. You can mix them all together, and if have any lumps while mixing you can add some water as required for your pack. Your pack should be like this much thick, and for that you can clean and scrub face gently and apply the pack all over your face and leftover on your hands. Pack has got lots of benefit. It helps to cleanse your face, clear, whiten, brighten your skin. It helps to eliminate all the blemishes, rashes from your skin, face skin. Okay, and most important thing is it's anti-aging for your skin, as turmeric has got curcumin powder which works as anti-aging. So here we leave it for 20 minutes and it looks something like this, dry. You can wet that pack first with water and remove it, massaging circular motion slowly and gently. And after that wash with this rice water, and you can see the instant glowy skin. Please everyone to try it and leave a comment down below how you will feel it. Thank you.